Hello! In this video, we will learn about figures of speech. Figures of speech help us make vivid comparisons in our writing. A simile is a figure of speech that compares two things using the words like or as. The wave was like an arm reaching toward the shore. The wave is being compared to an arm using the word like. A metaphor is a figure of speech that compares two unlike things that are similar in some way. A metaphor does not use the words like or as. Sharks can swim very quickly and move powerfully through the water. A torpedo moves powerfully through the water too. We can write a metaphor to compare the two things. The shark was a torpedo rocketing through the water. Personification is another figure of speech. It gives human qualities to something that is not human. A tornado can cause a lot of damage to a city. We can use personification to make a tornado seem human. The tornado attacked the city, tearing down buildings and tossing them around. A tornado doesn't really attack, but when we use this personification, it is easier to picture the strength of the tornado. Consider using figures of speech in your writing. Adding similes, metaphors, or personification to your writing will make it interesting and descriptive for readers. See you next time.